In this video, we're going to look at installing the CASSA app on iOS. So here we go, click on App Store and then onto the search icon and search for CASSA.io. And there you go, right at the top there. Then click on the download button. And then as soon as it's installed, click on open, and then you're taken to the sign in or register screen. And now if you haven't registered, then click on the register button and fill in the respective details as such. But if you have registered, then you'll just click on email address, add your password, and then click on sign in. CASSA would like to send you notifications, alert signs, and icon badges. These can be configured in settings, okay? I would recommend, obviously, clicking on allow, and then allow it to access your camera, because you're going to need this for things like your electronic signatures, etc. And there we go. And as you can see here, my dashboard is pretty empty, but I've got one pending SWMS. If I click on that, then it tells me the project and so on and so forth. And then there's the hamburger menu at the top, which gives me access to all my functionality. And then in the top right, of course, you can see my profile picture, etc., etc. And that's all you need to do to install the app and to log in to CASSA.